Wallahi Ninkan legend way. Let's talk about Somalia.
Thank you very much.
Forget about your Kabyle.
Yeah.
I would like to blame my fellow Somalians who are here. You're claiming, always blaming Kenyan, Ethiopian. All the problem is us. You cannot understand simple information. It's written there. British government consultation on Somalia. You're talking about Somaliland, Puntland, Kenya. What are you talking about? Let us talk about Somalia. Be focused. You're giving these people headache. We're talking about Somalia, not Somaliland, not Puntland. Forget about that. The other thing I would like to add
might be a diaspora view, but
for the British government is let us consider those people who are dying in Somalia. People are leaving their countries. They're in refugee camps. They're dying in Kenya. They're dying in Ethiopia. We are here. We got all the opportunities. We got the passport. We can vote. We can eat. We can sleep. Let us think about those people who are dying. That's the first thing. And I would like to urge from the ministers, the William Hague who left, and other British citizenship, please do not divide Somalia. Let us have a Somalia. Europe are becoming in one country. You don't want to leave Scotland. Why you divide Somalia? I've never seen anybody talking about Somalia. You're talking about a small portion of your tribe. Forget about that. Think. People are coming. United States, how many states are there? You're talking about 18 provinces. Let us think about Somalia, please. And I would like to add the United Kingdom. This will be history. Please do not divide Somalia. Let us have great Somalia, and then we will be in great Somalia.
Thank you very much.
That's what I would like to see. And thank you very much for this opportunity. Let us talk Somalia, not Somaliland, not Puntland. And the last thing, is it because Britain are coming to Somalia because we had a patrol? Or because we not Turkey are going there? Please make sure that you meet the Somali people, not those people over here. Let us consult our elders. One of the colleagues said that we have to consider Al-Shabaab. It's true, they are full force. We cannot ignore them. Yeah, because they are the ones who are causing the problem, not those ones. They will go today and sleep there. They got benefits. They're working. Forget. Let us talk to the real people. The people who are fighting. The people who are dying in the camps. And I'm really sorry. And I do apologize. You think careful. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Okay.